Gold has shown a very good swing yesterday. In fact, has gone close to 1930, the resistance levels, and then on the downside has shown a very strong breaking past the first support zone at 1918-20 and went till towards close to the last week's lows at around 1911 levels. Now, at the same time, silver traded in a mode of strange 2280 is still proving out to be a very good support. So, what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. To watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. To watch till the end. First, on the hourly charts, after staying or consolidating here and getting the resistance at 1930, gold has seen a very good drop. Now again it is trying to consolidate or retrace here. Now remember, a reversal confirmation is now only if it stays above 1930 level. Till the time it is a retracement, and yes, it could retrace. You can see on the hourly charts lower highs, and now this candle trying to break up. Possibly this zone here at 18 and 22 is again, which was the support earlier, is now going to be the resistance, and this zone may provide it a very good resistance. Hence we have to wait for it to break past 1922 levels in order to get the rise and expect it to hit 25 and 30 levels. Remember, the kind of weakness it is showing, the part till 1930 is going to be difficult for it. Possibly it is going to get maximum resistance here. Stock stick near to top. MACD willing to cross over on the hourly charts. This is a good sign. It can continue with the bullish momentum here. RSI rising. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar is the observation. See, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Now it is trying to retrace a little. One important observation here is, look at the lows here and the lows here. The higher lows it is seen and lower highs. So this is still in the phase of consolidation. Lower highs, higher lows. Let it break below 1610 levels and more bearishness may prevail, specifically below 1608. We may see it break 1908 levels. We may see it breaking below 1900. So you have to watch out now at 1910 levels. Below 1910, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. The stochastic is seen rising. MACD is bearish, willing to converge here. And RSI is also looking upwards, indicating a little rise. On the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. Nothing different after forming a reversal sign. It is just trying to retrace, mostly giving a sign of consolidation before it gives a breakout. Stochastic rising. MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over yet. It is still bearish. RSI is also looking upwards, indicating slight rise. And now looking forward to 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see, first of all, steps are getting created. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Possibly once it stays beyond 19, 18, 22 zone, certainly then only little more bullishness can be expected. Now you can also look at, see, the previous swing zone was here between 25 and 30. It is consolidated here for long, and after that this drop has come. Also, this is failed to break past the previous lows as of now. Hence, we have to wait for 1910 levels to be breached. At the same time, now possibly you can buy here at 1920, but then very cautious and alert you have to be till 1930 levels. And if it breaks past 1930, you can consider this as a breakout, and then we can expect a little more rise, which might take it till towards 1940 and plus levels. Stochastic at bottom. MACD is willing to cross over for a sell. You can see first wave, or rather first wave, second wave a little larger, third wave is in the beginning here, and if it crosses over on the upside, that is what I will look forward to. It will take a couple or more candles for it to do so. RSI very near to bottom. And on the daily charts, now see, on the daily charts, 3 highs beautifully aligned and higher lows is what we can see. Remember, this is just the beginning of the day, and that is where we can see a little retracement. Now see, once it passes by the half size of this candle or half mark of this candle, that is above 1922, where we can expect a little more rise. And then specifically if it breaks past 1930, just stay long, we are going to look at 1940 and plus levels there. And right now on the downside, if you look at, see, this is just the beginning of the day. If it breaks past, see how high it can go. This is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. Now only thing is, I will wait for it to how it behaves at around 1918, 1922 levels, because see, once it breaks past, it will try to show you a little up move. At the same time, it is the beginning of the day, and if it breaks below 1910, there is going to be a very sharp red candle. Remember, if it breaks below 1910, it can show you a sharper red candle there. But one point also to remember, that the bottom of the Bollinger Bands are situated at 1908 levels. However, it can break past, stretch the width there, and for today it might trade outside Bollinger Bands and then show a pullback tomorrow, or maybe extend the width of the Bollinger Bands tomorrow. Definitely the bulls are appearing to be weak here. However, a little retracement cannot be denied. Stochastic here at bottom. MACD here is trading with a bearish bias on the daily charts. RSI is also trading at bottom. Considering this, only sell entry I will recommend is below 1910 levels, below which 1910, 1908 is good support, below which you can expect 1900 as the first target, and below 1900 there could be further bearishness taking it till towards 1893, 1888, and then on the downside in this week itself we might see 1870 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Before leaving this video, just press the bell icon. Let's start with silver now. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 23rd batch starts on 3rd of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, after the good rise, consolidation, a big bullish candle, then higher highs, higher lows. You can see this, it is still trading in a bullish channel. Also, if you look at the move has come till towards this level because the rise was here, the orders got cancelled here, and now again it is trying to retrace. So now we have to wait for 2270 levels to be breached on the downside, below which only further bearishness is going to be seen. You can sell here at 2280, but then 2270 very strong support, and below that only further bearishness is going to be seen here. So a sell entry is confirmed at 2280 till 2280. Do not treat this as bearish. Now if you observe the move here, see, just draw the median line and you can see this is still retracement. The slope here is strong, the slope here is weak. I will wait for a, and silver here also see couple of rise candles, then retracement, now trying to look upwards, possibly staying above 2295 and 23. Rather, I will say above 2295 itself you can expect a rise. Remember, we had discussed that 23 and 2320 is a very strong support zone, or rather a resistance zone. Yesterday also we had seen this. It is reversed precisely from 2310 levels. Now you can see also another observation is higher lows are seen. So first thing is wait for it to break out above 2295. You can buy again, expect 2305, 2310, and in fact we may see it hitting 2320 levels also. Very good resistance at 2320 exist. Stochastic has retraced, MACD is bearish trying to converge, RSI looking upwards, and on the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. The moving averages are staying here at around 2280. Very good support exists here. So till the time 2280 is respected, possibility of it to rise exists, and hence we can see or we can look forward to a rise. The stochastic is rising, MACD is bearish. Now see MACD on the 2-hour charts, you can see a complete V-shaped recovery here with a smaller retracement itself. We have seen a V-shaped recovery till here. Now it is willing to give a direction. However, right now it is looking downwards, which is a bearish indication. RSI very near to the top. And on the 3-hour charts also, if you look at 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. But one point to note here is 3 retracement candles, 2 bullish candles. The previous candle having a double bottom, possibility for it to rise will exist here and exist strong. It might try to continue in this channel. A sell entry is very clear, is only below 2280. Stochastic is seen reversing for a rise. Let's see if it continues. MACD is still in green and it is willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. It has the potential to give a breakout on the upside. RSI almost flat. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, same observation is continuing here. Double bottom, reversal sign, trying to rise. 22.95, $23 is what you should look. Remember, till 23 we have to be watchful, and then 23.20 levels. Till 23.20 very strong resistance exists. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is in green, RSI flat, and on the daily charts. Now if you look at the daily charts, the previous candle is a, you can say, prices failed to stay in green. It has shown a very good pullback and a very smaller body has been observed. Now the point here is, see where we can say confirm a break here. This could be a reversal sign. If it breaks below 2260, then you can confirm that we can see this as a reversal where silver might continue with the downward trend, else it is still looking upwards and it can continue, or it can continue to give this much size of candle. You can already see one step here, so one green candle. This could be the second step which could bring second green candle, might take it till towards 2320. Also this is the 20 period moving average which is now situated at around 2320 levels, which is going to give it a little resistance. Stock stick is rising here. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge crossover. RSI almost flat. Considering this, you can sell here at 2280 and buy at 2295. However, 23, 2310, 2320, very strong resistance till 23 levels, 2320 levels suggest the zone between 23 and 2320 is going to be again a very strong resistance, and hence you have to trade accordingly. There is a risk till 2320, but then the profit is also there, and hence you have to put the stop loss at your entry price and take your trades accordingly. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Please, before leaving the video, do press the bell icon and do subscribe the channel. Also, you can join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.